before God Almighty and before all these people to become your wife and your helpmate. Okay, this is it, Tatay. This is the day that we've been waiting for. And this is the day.
Sa likod ng mga pagsubok na dumating sa atin, nanatili tayong matatag na sumasandal sa isa't isa, sa harap ng Panginoon at ng mga taong malapit sa atin. Pinapangakong palagi kang isusunod sa Panginoon.
Thank you. For 8 years, I know, grabe yung patience mo. Alam kong hindi ako ganon kadaling i-handle. After several breakups, you stood by me and keeps pushing to be the best man for me.
Sa lahat ng pagkakataon, pipiliin, mamahalin sa mga oras na parang hindi.
We can finally say that we honor God. And Lord, this wedding is for you, to glorify you, Lord.
Dear babe, it's about time. I'm so excited to see you on your dream wedding gown. But before anything else, here's my gift for you. I hope you like it. Maybe simple, but I know you love this kind of things.
Ay, ito may letter.
See you later and happy anniversary. I love you so much. Anniversary pala na.
Sobrang pasalamat ko ngayong araw at dumating to na masabi kong you are my home.
We will build our own home, our own family. Alam kong hindi ganun kadali. Ngayon pa lang kinakabahan ako. Pero tulad ng palagi mong sinasabi, as long as magkasama tayo, kakayanin natin ang lahat. Tay, palagi mong tatandaan na sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Na alam kong tama na sundin si Lord na umao sa'yo, hindi lang today, kundi sa mga susunod pang araw.
I commit myself to fulfill God's plan for my life, to provide loving leadership.
Lastly, thank you babe for waiting for me, from all the temptations and all, you choose to wait.